Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming basics. Press the physical volume up, feel the click, and note the on-screen indicator. Once done, swipe down twice from the top edge to reveal quick settings, then tap the gear icon or open settings directly. Make sure to tap sound and vibration. Some phones label it simply sound because that section exposes separate channels like media and ring. You'll now be ready to change precise sliders instead of only relying on buttons. You'll see multiple sliders. Start with media for music and videos, then adjust ring and alarm as needed. Drag the media slider slowly to avoid sudden loudness. You can tap the speaker icon to toggle mute. If your device offers a toggle like Use Volume Keys for Media, enable it so later presses Adjust Media by default. Once you've set levels, play a short clip to confirm. That verifies the change and reveals if another app is overriding the system volume. Finish by playing audio and checking the result. If sound is still low, look at the app's own volume control, because apps can have independent mixers. If levels remain unresponsive, restart your phone to clear temporary conflicts and close apps that may use audio in the background. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't limiting sounds, and if Bluetooth is connected to a headset or speaker, adjust that device's volume separately. Those often override your phone's media control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.